To create a run chart, you input your data in the Excel columns. In our example, we are using call handle time results over a 10-week period. We also need to add a column for the average of our data. We can do this by entering a formula for average and adding it to each cell. Now we want to create a line chart with markers for our handle time data. Notice our line with the data points, which is what we will look at to determine if we have any shifts or trends. With our chart highlighted, we will add the median line simply by dragging the blue bottom box over to include the average. We now have our median line in the chart, but notice that our chart is off-center and we have a lot of empty space at the bottom that we would want to adjust. We do so by clicking on the vertical axis data and adjusting our bounds, which should be close to and inclusive to our actual minimum and maximum values. Now you can see that our chart is nice and centered. Now we will do some general labeling of our chart. Now we can interpret our chart looking at the blue line for any shifts or trends.